Hey, yo, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on another episode of JL Jupiter TV. And today I'm in New York City. What part of New York City we at right now?
We're in Chelsea. You know the vibes.
I have no idea about New York, but I know it's on West 16th and 9th Ave. You know what I've always overlooked when I come to New York City? I've always overlooked the street carts. I want to know, how good is the food from the carts? Have you ever eaten there before?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Is it good?
It depends on which ones you are. Not all of them are equal. A lot of them are like by halal food, and some of them are just hot dog people. But
how good is the food in one of these street carts right here? We're just gonna pick a random one, and then I'm gonna just get I don't know, maybe I guess what they're known for is the gyros or the lambs or whatever like that. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna test it out. You know, we're gonna see if it's really, you know, something you should get when you're in New York City. There's so many of them that I guess it gets overlooked, especially by me since I'm a foodie. So we're gonna go ahead, the one right behind me right here. We're gonna test it out. Probably get lamb. What do you think? Lamb? Some gyros?
check out their menu.
Maybe get a couple things here.
Yeah.
And we'll let you know if it's really worth it. And I already walked past by it. They don't really cost all that much. Maybe like maybe a few dollars, like $5, $6, $7. So if you want a budget, I guess you can't overlook this. All right, let's go check it out. Looks pretty good. Combo rice platter. They got falafel if you're into that.
Go watch salad.
Smells good, you know. Damn.
Right now.
Let's see what else they got. What should I get?
They got Philly cheesesteak.
They got a Philly cheesesteak. Oh man, I love it.
Combo.
All right, I'm gonna do the combo. Pick one more thing too. We'll try a gyro, lamb gyro.
Yeah, lamb gyro.
Saying you don't say gyro, you say gyro. You know, I learned that when I went to Chicago.
Or chicken.
What's going on? What's going on? What's your best platter here, my man? Huh? What's your best platter here? What do you recommend?
Mix over rice. Lemon and chicken over rice and salad.
Let me get one of that. And what do you want? Pick one more thing.
I just want something light. How about a chicken kebab? They know for kebabs too.
Chicken kebab. You got chicken kebabs?
Yes.
Chicken kebabs too. Let me do two of those.
Alright, too.
Yeah, they got a lot of options here, that's for sure. Fish over rice, chicken over rice, shrimp over rice, shrimp with fries, hot dogs, Italian sausage.
Want to stop shop here?
It looks really good.
What's up, guys? Thank you, brother.
What type of seasoning you using that?
What?
What do you put, like a curry seasoning on it?
Yeah, curry seasoning. Everything is stuff because, you know, I'm like it vegetable. Everything is vegetable, onion, green pepper, broccoli, carrot, cabbage, you know.
You can't go wrong with curry, honestly. I love curry. All fresh.
White sauce.
Please.
Spicy.
Yes. So essentially we got two sandwiches. It's really a shish kebab, right? So he asked me if I wanted bread with it, and he put it on like a hot dog bread. Y'all see that? Then he put the white sauce on there, barbecue sauce, and then the hot sauce. So we got two of these sandwiches. We got a combo platter, over rice, 2 bottles of water. Total came out to 19 bucks. Y'all see that? All right, so I'm gonna do the taste test here. I'm gonna take this kebab out and I'm gonna just eat it. Let's taste this real quick. So this is mainly the video is to see if these carts are any good. Okay. Oh, the sandwich is actually pretty good. You taste that curry seasoning. All the chicken is already pre-cooked. All I do is just put it on the griddle and warm it up.
What's that?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Delicious.
Okay.
Thank you. Come to New York City, you want a quick meal? This is delicious. I love the curry seasoning though, with the hot dog bread. It's good. It's not bad at all. If you don't want a processed hot dog, get a kebab style. What's going on? I actually prefer it without the bread. But he offered it, so might as well try it. This is good. Probably with the bread, probably costs like $2 or something like that, maybe $2.50. That was good. That was a quick meal. Seasoning is really good. And the price is good too. All right, we're gonna do on to the next one. Let's see how this chicken is over rice. I think this combo is probably $6 or $7. So we're gonna do the reveal for the combo. You know, it's like halal guy style in a way. But this is a random cart. This actually doesn't look too bad. It looks like it's gonna be very filling. So this is the combo. It's chicken and lamb. You got a pickle in here. Got the lettuce. You know, that's one thing I do like about street cart food, especially when they serve halal food. Is that you get veggies too. Can't go wrong with that. I'm gonna pick up a pickle. I'm gonna start out with the lamb. Y'all see the steam coming off of that? I just love veggies, right? It's delicious. So not every cart is the same, just so you know that. Try to find one that's busy. Let's do this again. You got broccoli in here too? Love me some broccoli. I could do lamb every day, yo. There's something about lamb. It's kind of like pork. It's always moist. Just the texture of it. It's always good. It's not as dry as chicken though. Lamb is delicious. Chicken is bomb too. The chicken right here. Just the right amount of spice. There you go. Big piece of chicken and some lamb. See? Ready? Big bite, big bite. You get a pickle and some tomatoes right here. Ready for this? Big bite. This one is a good one. So overall, my experience today with this food cart, definitely good. The only food carts I normally go to is halal guys, but this one right here is quality. All right. But do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit that sub button. I'll see you on the flip side. Peace.